Namaste children. Let us learn about the physical divisions of India. India is known for a variety of physical features such as the mountain region, the plateau region, the plain region, the coastal regions, and the islands. Standing as a borders in the north, we have the lofty snow-capped Himalayas. Himalaya mean the abode of snow. The Himalayan mountains are divided into three parallel ranges. The northernmost part is the Himadri, which is also called as Greater Himalaya. This region consisted of the world's highest mountain peaks like Mount Everest. The middle Himalaya or Himachal lies to the southern side of Himadri. Many popular hill stations are situated here. The Shivalik is the lowermost range. The northern plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. They are generally level and flat. These are formed by the alluvial deposits laid down by the rivers like Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. These rivers provide fertile land for cultivation. That is the main reason for high concentration of population in the northern plains of India. In the western part of India, we have the Great Indian Desert. It is a dry, hot and sandy stretch of land. It has very little vegetation. To the south of northern plains lie the Peninsular Plateau. It is a triangular plateau region and the relief is highly uneven here. This is a region with numerous hill ranges and valleys. The Aravalli Hills is one of the oldest ranges of the world. Besides, we have the Vindhya ranges, Satpura ranges on this peninsular plateau. Rivers like Narmada and Tapi flow through these ranges. These are west-flowing rivers that drain into Arabian Sea. The Western Ghats or Sahyadri border on the western side of Peninsular Plateau and the Eastern Ghats lie on the eastern side of Peninsular Plateau. The Western Ghats are continuous whereas Eastern Ghats are broken into small ranges. The plateau is rich for different types of minerals like coal and iron ore. To the west of Western Ghats and the east of Eastern Ghats, we have the coastal plains. The western coastal plains are very narrow. Kerala is lying in the western coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains are much broader than the western coastal plains. Rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow through the eastern coastal plain and drain into the Bay of Bengal. The Sundarban Delta is formed where the river Ganga and Brahmaputra flow into Bay of Bengal. The Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal.